Hello, friends. Welcome back to Learn with Paws. Today we are going under the ocean to learn about ocean animals and the sounds they make. Are you ready? Let's dive in.
Hi, friends. Welcome back. Today we are learning about ocean animals and the sounds they make. Are you ready? Yay! Look at these ocean animals. They are whales. Look at this big ocean animal. This is a whale. Whale. Can you say whale? Whale. What sound does a whale make? A whale sings. Can you make a whale sound? Beautiful! Wow, whales are so kind and gentle.
Thank you, little friend. Your words are very sweet.
And you're so big and strong.
We make a great team.
Look at these ocean animals. They are dolphins.
This is a dolphin. Dolphin. Can you say dolphin? Dolphin. A dolphin makes clicking sounds. Click, click. Can you make clicking sound? Wonderful. Wow, dolphins are so amazing. They jump so high and swim so gracefully. They're the best friends a puppy could ask for. Look at these ocean animals. They are sharks. Look at this ocean animal. This is a shark. Shark. Can you say shark? Shark. Sharks move quietly through the water. Swish, swish. Can you pretend to swim like a shark? Great swimming! Wow, you're amazing! I love how sharks glide so smoothly through the water.
Thank you, little one. I think puppies are pretty great too.
Yeah, you're my new favorite friend.
You're fast! So are you! Jump with me! Tag up! Ready to play, Paws?
Ready to play, Paws?
Yes! Let's go again! Whee! This is fun! Here I throw!
Again! Look at these ocean animals. They are called octopus. This is an octopus. Octopus. Can you say octopus? Octopus? An octopus has 8 arms. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Amazing! Wow, you're super cool. I love how you can change color. Thanks, Paws. It's my favorite trick. It's the best. You're the greatest.
Hi, Paws! Let's play!
Yay, Disney!
You're so fast!
Tag, you're it! That's best friends.
Look at these. They are sea lions.
This is a seal lion. Sea lion. Can you say sea lion? Sea lion! What sound does a sea lion make? A sea lion makes honk sound. Can you honk like a sea lion? Beautiful! Hi there. Sea lions are so cool.
Thanks, you're a cute puppy.
I wish I could swim like you.
It's easy. Let's swim together.
Yay, you're the best.
Ready to go play?
Yes, let's go. Follow me. This is fun.
Race you!
You're on. Look at these sea creatures. They are turtles. This is a turtle. Turtle. Can you say turtle? Turtle. A turtle has a protective bony shell and they can live for over 100 years. Isn't that amazing? Hi, Paws. I'm glad you're here. Hi. I love turtles. Your shells are so cool. Yeah, and you swim so gracefully. Look at these ocean creatures. They are jellyfishes. This is a jellyfish. Jellyfish. Can you say jellyfish? Jellyfish! A jellyfish is 95% water. It has no brain, heart, or bones. Oh. I love your glow. Thank you. Your fur is so soft and fluffy. And your tentacles move so gracefully. I'm glad you think so. Let's explore together. Look at these sea creatures. They are starfishes. This is a starfish. Starfish. Can you say starfish? Huh? Starfish. Starfish are fascinating. They have no brains or blood and they can turn their stomachs inside out to eat. They have unique abilities like regrowing lost arms. Starfish, you're the most colorful friend I know. Aw, thanks, Paws. You're super cute too. And your smile is as bright as the sun. Hee hee, you make me happy. You're the best.
I will show an animal. You tell me its name. Are you ready? Let's start.
What animal is this? Whale. What animal is this? Dolphin. What animal is this? Shark. What animal is this? Octopus. What animal is this? Sea lion. What animal is this? Turtle. What animal is this? Jellyfish. What animal is this? Starfish.
Amazing. Now let's say them again.
Whale. Dolphin. Shark. Octopus. Sea lion. Turtle. Jellyfish. Starfish.
You did a great job learning ocean animals. keep exploring the amazing animals around us. Thank you for learning with Paws. See you next time. Goodbye.